Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload videos to Canva. Whether we are creating a presentation, social media content, or a project, adding our own videos can make our designs more engaging. Now let's get started. On our Canva project, to upload a video, all we have to do is click on Uploads and then click Upload Files. Once we're here, we just have to click Show All Files. Now, let's look at what videos we are going to upload. Let's upload this Apple video. As we can see, it is now uploading. Let's wait for it to finish. Once it's done, we can use this video in our Canva project, whether it's for a presentation or some social media content. And that's how we upload videos to Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can easily bring our own clips into our designs.